Shenzhen Javoda Technology Co. Limited was founded in 2014. The factory covers an area of more than 4,000 square meters, with a monthly production capacity of more than 100,000 units. It is a high-tech enterprise which mainly engage in the design, R&D, manufacturing and sale of smart products, including the LP Smart Projector, Smart LCD Home Theater with highly cost-effective, and providing ODM and OEM services with high quality. The company takes professional R&D as the core value, adheres to the tenet of quality first, high-quality service, and abides by the contract by relying on high-quality products, good reputation, high-quality service. Most customers are overseas customers. Javoda has its own factory in Dongguan, China, which can provide customers with OEM and ODM services. Relying on the advantages of the factory, Javoda has well-controlled various costs and provided customers with cost-effective products at the same price. Javoda has a strong team for strict quality control. All products always check FCC, CCC, RoHS certification. A separate quality inspection department is set up within the company, and each product must be inspected and qualified before it leaves the factory. Javoda adheres to the vision of bring you smart home theater and strives to become a world-class projector enterprise.